Adopt, don't stop. Meet Bagha, the inspirational hero from Barasat Station. Have you heard of Bagha, the incredible dog from Barasat Station in West Bengal? 6 years ago, his life took a dramatic turn when he lost a leg to the Hasnabad local train. But Bagha didn't let that slow him down. This resilient and intelligent dog used to navigate stairs, and now he impressively uses escalators with ease. What a testament to the strength and spirit of our street dogs. Street dogs like Bagha are more than just animals living in the roads. They are survivors, filled with love, intelligence, and unwavering will to thrive. They deserve a chance to find a loving home where they can share their loyalty and affection. Adopting a street dog means giving a deserving dog a second chance at life, experiencing the unmatched love and gratitude of a rescued pet, contributing to the solution of overpopulation and homelessness of stray animals, gaining a loyal friend who has faced adversity and come out stronger. Bagha's story is a powerful reminder of the incredible lives our street dogs lead. They are smart, adaptable, and full of love to give. By adopting a strong dog, a street dog, you are not just changing their life, they are sure to change yours too. Let's come together and open our hearts to homes to these amazing animals. Share Bagha's story, spread the word, and help find forever homes for our street dogs. Our new best friend is waiting